Welcome to the Term 4 Final Test Review Sheet Solution tutorial. Here I will be covering number 2. It says to solve. There are multiple ways to solve this, and the easiest way is to graph, but let me show you the algebra. Okay, first of all, I see that this is a parentheses x plus 5 squared equals to 144. My goal is to get rid of that squared first because I need x alone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to square root both sides. The act of square rooting both sides will allow me to get rid of the exponent. As a result, I get x plus 5 left on my left-hand side and the square root of 144. The square root of 144 have two answers, plus and minus 12. There's two answers, the plus version and the minus version. Then, to get x alone, I subtract 5 to both sides. So there are two answers. There are two answers here. Two answers. Okay. This is when x is going to be equal to negative 5 plus 12. Then the other one is when x is equal to negative 5 minus 12. All right. And now we can just plug this in if you don't know. So this is 5, 7. And this is x is equal to negative 17. To double check, we can always graph it on Desmos. Here we go. Just graph it the way you see it. Plus 5 squared is equal to 144. All right. And notice that the solutions are at the values of x is equal to 7 and x is equal to negative 7. All right, if you want to see the parabola in of itself, just make sure it's in standard form. So now it should look like a parabola. There you go. All right, the next one, x squared minus 10x plus 24. Again, diamond method, complete the square, doesn't matter. I'm going to make my life easy by just graphing it. X squared minus 10x plus 24. I saw my solutions are at what value? Oh, let's just zoom in. I see it. It is at the value x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 4. Those are my solutions. X is equal to 6 and x is equal to 4. Please notice that there are always two solutions. At most, sometimes they're like, no real solutions. But for this one, there are two real solutions. There you go. That is how you solve for number 12.